face it, delivering a good wedding speech is hard.
You have to make people laugh, make them emotional.
Tell a story.
Remember all the etiquette.
Stand in front of 100 people.
Speak clearly.
Not spill water down you.
Do a toast.
All whilst trying to act natural, despite the fact everyone you've ever met is staring right at you.
Yeah, it's a lot.
But don't worry, Speechy have got your back.
Speechy is made up of a team of award-winning comedy writers.
There's loads of speech writing companies, but none that can claim to have a team working for them who have written for the BBC, ITV and Channel 4.
Using all our comedy writing skills, we write you the perfect wedding speech.
But most importantly, you guys love us, giving us 5-star ratings on Trustpilot. Made my day perfect, 5 stars.
What an amazing team! 5 stars!
Tarantino's finest, a masterpiece from beginning to... yeah, I think I've got the wrong one.